Our Real Money team is back, saving you a lot of money on your doctor bill. Americans on average spend up to $200 for each doctor visit. So imagine being able to visit your doctor without leaving home and cutting the cost in half. ABC's Paula Ferris with a way to keep that money in your pocket.
With 3 growing boys, the Allspaws from Dayton, Ohio say their home away from home is often the doctor's office.
We really do have a stack of medical bills, and it overwhelms me.
For the boys, $90 each visit, $100 for mom and dad, and the costs are adding up.
Just wondering, is there a better way?
According to our healthcare consumer advocate, Michelle Katz, there is. It's a brand new high-tech medical service called telemedicine. Doctors perform virtual medical exams, even writing you prescriptions. It's $40 to $50 per use, which is about half the cost of the average doctor's visit. Telemedicine is already backed by many hospitals and major health insurers, even Medicare and Medicaid.
Hi.
But for most families, Michelle says they don't even know it's an option or figure in the extra costs.
It costs money to take off from work, to get all the boys in the car, drive down, to wait a few hours to get a diagnosis that you might already know about.
It's used to treat minor ailments like cold symptoms, which alone account for nearly a quarter of family doctor's office visits.
It's starting here.
Phil's trying it out for what he thinks is poison ivy.
Well, it'd be $100 just to tell me that I got the poison ivy that I know I have.
Taking a picture,
I have the picture.
uploading it, and answering a few questions.
Hello?
An hour later, Phil gets a call from a doctor, a prescription, and fills it at his pharmacy.
We've got a very affordable alternative to an emergency room for non-emergent care.
Dr. Howard says telemedicine is to help families stay healthy in between regular doctor's office visits, not instead of them.
Your best care is always going to be your primary care physician with a hands-on exam.
In all, Phil's bill was about half of what it usually costs him to visit the doctor's office, and Michelle estimates the Allspaws can save more than $2,600 just this year.
I'm amazed. I am simply amazed.
That's real money!
Now, the telemedicine doctors that we spoke to were highly credentialed. We're talking 15 years of experience and up. To find out more, you can go to our website where Michelle has laid out what to look for in a telemedicine doctor. And Diane, have to emphasize, this does not replace your primary care physician. It only acts as a bridge. And again, it applies to basic and minor ailments only.
And that poison ivy cured?
Cured. $4 prescription.
Okay, thanks so much, Paula.